Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, All About Me, we will study about countable nouns. So, open up page number 12 and let's get started. On page number 12, you can see Adam standing in his bedroom. This is his bedroom. Let's look at his things. Read along with me. I have a table. I have a bed. I have a school bag. I have a toy box. I have two basketballs. Now you saw Adam's things, and they were all nouns. Some nouns are countable, like in the picture there was a bed, table, bag, basketball, and toy box. They are all countable nouns, which means that we can count them. Now, as an activity, list various countable things in your bedroom. Count the different things that you have in your bedroom and write them on a loose sheet.